What's up, Kurlz crew, and welcome again to my channel. If you are new here, I am Karen Kurlz. Welcome. Well, today I am going to be showing you guys this lovely hot girl summer feed-in braid with accessories. So if you guys would like to see this,
Little girl with a sassy curl, a curly afro when it cuts hair. Medicine in a kind of relaxer. Oh man, what a disaster. 23 when I cut it all off. 24 when I cut on natural.
okay guys, so let's fix this dry old bun. So I'm just going to pull this down, pull out my black castor oil, and I'm just going to apply this all over my hair to make it a little more manageable and make sure I lock in some oil. And then I'm just going to take my brush and detangle that so I can prepare it to go up into a slick ponytail. Next, we are going to need our gel, our brush, and our hair ties so that you can put that up into your ponytail. And the method that I like to use is I like to take a good amount and rub it onto the front of my hair and get it smooth onto my edges, and then also into the back. And then I like to take my brush and I bend my body completely over so that I can get it as smooth as possible and up at the top of the head exactly where I want it to be. Otherwise it sits in the back and it's more of like a low ponytail, and that's not what I'm looking for. So as you guys can see, this is what I was talking about here. Once you have it nice and secure, you can go ahead and brush that up and make sure that your hair is nice and smooth. You don't have to worry about your baby hairs. We are going to go ahead back and fix those with the edge control once we have our braid completed. And now it's just time to go ahead in and add our hair. So you can just use any kind of braiding hair. I turned around so you guys can get a better view of this. I hope you guys can see this a lot better from this angle. But I'm just going to separate my hair into 3 pieces, and then I'm going to start to plait my hair directly down. As you guys can see here, after I do about 3 pieces of the plait, I'm going to start adding the hair, and you guys will see that in a moment. So I'm just adding the hair directly into my fingers where I'm holding the piece of hair that I want to braid next, and then I'm just going to flip it over my finger. So you guys will see it again in a second. So here we go, back under into my finger, and then right back over to the top portion of the hair that I was plaiting. So as I get a little further down the braid, it is going to be a little messy. So I'm just going to be grabbing some gel and applying that just to smooth my hair and blend it in with the feed-in hair so that it's nice and smooth. So that's what you guys can see here. And then I'm just going to turn around so you guys can see it from the front and get a better view of that. It's okay if you think you grab a piece too soon. You can just braid that down and then grab it again if you need to add it later, like I just did. So I am almost done this braid here. I'm just going to keep braiding it down until I get it to the length that I like. You can stop at the length that you would like, and then when you get to the length that you do want it, you're just going to take your scissors and then clip those ends to kind of even, oh my gosh, to kind of even it out. That was a little creepy. And then just take a rubber band and then you can secure the bottom, and I will show you guys that in a moment. So just be sure to even out the hair at the bottom so that it looks nice and clean. Here I am just taking a thin piece of that braiding hair and just wrapping it around the head wrap that I put on there, and then I'm just going to take some gel and apply that over my hair, smooth out any of the pieces that are sticking out, and then I'm just going to take this gold accessory string and I am going to just twist this right over the top, and I'm going to do that all the way down, as you guys can see here. I really just love this. I really think that it makes it look so much prettier. You can leave the braid if you want. This is totally optional. I just felt like being extra today. And then I'm also going to go in with some of my little gems and add them in. I don't even know what they're called. They're like gold beads or gold gems. I don't know. They're little hair clips, but I love them. Okay guys, now that we are done this braid, I am just going to accessorize. You guys like these earrings? I love them. I feel like I'm going somewhere, like a festival or something, which I'm not, y'all. It's just Father's Day. It's really not, but I gotta put the braid through. Alright, y'all. Hot girl summer. What y'all think? What you think? Let me see. I could sling it, y'all. You could just like. Look, so it's not going anywhere. I hope you guys really liked this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. And don't forget to drink your water. Fix your posture. Let's drink some water. Oh yeah. Oh, there's some hair in my face. But yeah, subscribe. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.